What's up, travelheads? We are out here in Yosemite right now. Wilderness backpacking. Day 1 finished. Day 2, here we go. With day 1 in the books, this is our first full day in Yosemite, which means we have a long day ahead of us. I kicked off the day by looking at the stars and the sunrise before having breakfast with the view of El Capitan. Momma noodles would be breakfast. A failed breakfast, that is. No! This is why you don't try to vlog while cooking with just one hand. I spilled the momma noodle, something I was really looking forward to eat. I'm in pain right now. Didn't get a taste. But that's okay. I was forced to have real breakfast. Oatmeal, that is. After breakfast, we enjoyed the breathtaking view for some time. Objective around roughly 6 miles. Our buddy Xavier will be heading back due to personal reasons, so it's gonna be 4 of us from here on. Dope view today. We already did, as you seen in the morning, that fire sunrise. And today's food is gonna be something you guys are gonna really want to see. Pad Thai with chicken. Pad Thai would be for dinner, but for now we crossed paths with another stream to get our fresh water refill. Then we continue our hike with a crazy view. I've said this many times, but it's another view that's breathtaking. "8,000 feet high up, and yeah, you can hear the echo, you can feel the wind breeze, and you can see the view of Half Dome right there, El Capitan." The PCT runs from the border of Mexico all the way to the border of Canada, and it runs through the Yosemite National Park also. If you're going to go accomplish the whole PCT trail, you're going to have to come through Yosemite, which I'm pretty sure you wouldn't mind. I mean, look at this view. This isn't part of the trail for the PCT, but if you're going to do a stop, you got to stop by here. It's part of the glacier and Wawona halfway. 15 minutes ago, that was us. 15 minutes later, going through all that. Some people might say it's easy, but not when you're carrying like 40 to 50 pounds. Alright guys, so now we're up here in Dewey Point. Got the time lapse rolling right over there. And this is our lunch break, so I got a chocolate brownie Cliff Bar. Yeah, you're like, another Cliff Bar? Like, how many Cliff Bars are you gonna eat? This is gonna be my 4th Cliff Bar. Got a view right there. Kinda exposed. Half Dome right over there. Gotta get that Half Dome shot, you know, that portrait size. Yeah. Yeah, so this is our little 30-minute lunch break here. 30-minute time lapse for a 10-second video. And after that, we got 2 to 3 more miles before we touch down at base and enjoy the rest of the day. How much you want to bet the beginning of this, the scent will be like brownie? Yeah, well, you taste brownie. I like brownie fudge. Kind of reminds me of the chocolate chip Cliff Bar. I wouldn't say the brownie tip scent is strong in it, but it does the job. After lunch, we stumbled upon Bridalveil Falls, which was the waterfall I spoke about on day 1 adventure. This is like the biggest waterfall we've seen during the hike so far. And it feels good, the breeze passing by a mountain. We took a refreshing swim and enjoyed the cold water soaking us before resuming our hike. Bro, it's an actual wild bear in front of us. Who would have thought? Like, y'all see it? Right there. After a long day, we finally arrived to Taft Point. Such an amazing view out here. Super windy here at Taft Point. Oh, that's the one. Yeah. Ooh. Gives me a little shiver just looking at all this. That's amazing though. my first wilderness backpacking was over there. I don't know if you can see it. It's Yosemite Falls, the popular waterfall over here. We actually hiked all the way up, all the way to North Dome, and I believe it was to Mirror Lake. So today we had a 7-mile hike with these backpacks. It was quite heavy. We're all pretty broken right now. Yeah, 4 hours of sleep, was it? Yeah, 4 hours of sleep the day before. 4.5 hours of sleep, so it's been just hustling and bustling. But now we're here. Now we got dinner right here. Of course, like I told you guys the day before, pad thai with chicken. Gotta check that out and do a review. Yeah. And then we got for dessert, this is what I can't wait for, mango sticky rice. I don't know why Vader nodding like he gonna get some. He didn't even give me any water and stuff. He ain't getting nothing. I hope it looks like mango sticky rice. Got noodles, pad thai noodle in there. Little strips, but it's good, all good. I think that's enough water. And now we just wait 15 minutes. Oh shit, smells like pad thai. Wedding rehearsal going on just for the video. We got the sunset. We got YouTubers. Dude, there's so much going on in Taft Point. It's like I'm entertained. We don't even need a TV right now. I think I kind of messed up. I don't think I put enough water in there, so it's pretty dried up. Sadly. Sun is setting right now. Now let's try this pad thai. Tastes like it. I'm pretty impressed. That red sauce, that red little thing on it. That's where all the flavors. It's like about to be 9 p.m. Sun is still glowing fire red, and I'm sleepy. I'm gonna go sleep because I gotta wake up by 3 a.m. or probably even earlier just to set up a Milky Way shot here. Don't miss out on day 3 of our adventure, so subscribe and give it a like. Until then, travel heads.